Well, it's time to start planting some tomatoes. So that's what we're doing on this video, is planting some tomatoes. Now we have some that we bought that are already growing, and we have a large one that we're going to do something a little bit different with, and we're going to do some modification with it. So let's turn this around where you can see what we have here, and that is the plant we have. And if you notice, I don't know if I can, yeah, you see this branch right here is come off of in between one of these. So this one should have been taken off. So what I'll do is I'll take that off so we have one main stalk coming up, and then I'll replant this because this will grow on it as well. So I'm not going to throw that away. I'll replant it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right about where this plant is, and I'm going to dig a trench for it to lay down. So all this will be underground for a root system. So it can have a lot better root system on it. So let's take these off. These come out. They will pull out. The design did not come off too easy. That off. And now, see if we can loosen this up. Take this out. There you see the roots are all the way down to the bottom there. So that's got a already good root system for this one. So let me take, this one already has tomatoes on it. That off, and we'll plant that here in a little bit. Now I want to have enough room so they can expand out, so I'm going to start down here. I'm going to start digging my trench right about here. Big enough for the rip all in there. I'll break some of it up. But I need to come down to right about here, my trench. Now I want the tomato cage to be right about here. I wanted to make sure I had enough room down there. And let's see, we need to go a little bit more right down here, but that's about where I want it. There we go. Kind of dig something up. I need a little deeper. This is a big root ball here. When we dig this up at the end of the year, whatever's underground will be a root system. That's how you get really nice, nice big strong plants. Get that one off because I'm going to cover all this down in here with dirt. And the roots like to be warm on the tomato. Now I can slowly pick this up. Normally they're going to say that you should pull off everything down pretty low, but I've got everything down here pretty low, so we'll let this grow. That one, don't really need that one. Now, because I know where the roots are at down here, when I put my cage on, I don't want to slice the roots. So I know the root ball is right around here, so I can make sure that these are bent out enough to miss the root ball. So now as this grows, we'll have to just keep feeding it back into the cage. And now this one, see, here's where the root ball of this one is. So we're going to go down a little bit more. So there it is. Hopefully you got to see digging everything out. The tripod a little bit close, but this one is a big beef. Oh, no wonder it's hard to see. Had it zoomed in. A big beef. So I'm going to put the tag right down here so we know what it is. I'll bury most of it so they know what it is, and both of them are the same one. Now, because that other one is kind of drooping a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and water it right away. And I'll go ahead and do this one as well. Okay, let's come down to the next one. And we'll do 2 of these here as well. And this one is, here where you can read the sign there, Early Girl tomato. Now, because this isn't very deep, you know, I'm only going to pick off a couple of them off of here. Now, a lot of times I'll do that and I'll leave just like that much coming out, but I don't want to dig that much right now. So I'll do that. This tag out. Because these kind of fan out quite a bit, I want to make sure there's plenty of room. I have lots of garden room, so I'm going to come down here, dig this one. And of course then kind of break it up the root ball a little bit. In there, so now it's an early girl. And see, this will, when it grows, it'll stand up. Okay, next up is going to be a big boy. And you see all these down here, all these are going to come off. Next up is the better boy. I'll put that over here. Next up is Brandywine Red. Now, we got these from the high school up here by me and Wahoo. They actually have an agriculture department, they have a welding department, and they're part of the ag group. They when they had some garage sales around, they sold us some of their plants, and we bought this plant here. It had 4 of them in it, so we'll plant those out here, and then we have some peppers that we're going to plant. Because these were bound together too tight, I'm not going to try and separate them out. I'm just going to dig a trench all the way down here. Well, there's those two. Now we'll put these two in. Let me see if we can get the camera lined up. The sun is so bright out here, I can't hardly see my screen. And I'm thinking these are probably bound together enough that I'm going to do the same thing for these. Just dig a trench and lay them opposite directions. Well, I see why they grew together. There's 2 compartments instead of 4. Like a lot of them, there's 4, so it separate them. That's why the roots grew together. Yeah, for the tomatoes, I like to use the ones that have the 4 rings on it. They're a little taller, and they support the tomatoes a little bit better. They're a little bit bigger. Because I routinely, the ones only 3 levels high, I routinely will, tomatoes will grow outside of those, and they're kind of drooping over the side. So I do use the 3 ones, but you'll see in the next video where I plant peppers. Well, now we'll just water them in, and then we'll be ready to go on to the next one. Oh, I want to put the tag in here. because the plant's coming up here, but the root ball is pointing towards the middle. I want to make sure I water the middle really well as well. This is the one with the really big root ball right here. I want to really make sure I water that in really good. And that's it for the tomatoes. So we got all those planted. We're gonna water these in now, but what I'll do is I'll take and water the whole garden with a sprinkler. I'll put it here in the middle and water the whole garden and soak it down really well tonight, and then remember to turn it off before you go to bed. But peppers are up next, so stay tuned. If you don't subscribe, you may not know when it comes out. So make sure you subscribe and like and follow and share and all that cool stuff, so that we can get this out to more people. And not only does it help you out on figuring out what to do in your garden, but I get to make a video and have fun doing it. So wait till next time. Make sure you subscribe. We'll talk to you later.